What's up, insurance people? In this video I'm going to show you how to create a signature and why you should create a signature. Okay, so the signature, this is not the signature, all right? I mean, technically this is what you would probably think of as a signature, but when it comes to email marketing, a signature, this is a signature, okay? Now, what is this? Okay, this is just essentially something that gets tagged on to every single email so that you're always giving people the opportunity to follow you or track you or get in touch with you. Like in this one we've got schedule a call. Okay, so this is my own Calendly link. Join my Facebook group. This is a Facebook group that they can join for marketing. Okay, they can read my fitness blog. I've got a fitness blog. Okay, or they can connect with me on these other platforms. I've got my Facebook, Steemit, this is a blogging platform, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Okay, free resources, everything you need to win. These are a couple courses that I've created and other free resources that people can use if they want. Okay, recommended tools and services. Okay, these are all tools that I use, and by the way, these are all affiliate links. So anytime anybody clicks one of these links and makes a purchase, I get a commission. Okay, now this is not really so relevant for you because you're just really an insurance guy and all you kind of want to do is just get appointments, right? You're not selling books. I mean, I guess you could argue that you can have links to your social media in here. It'll make you more relatable and more trustworthy. But in my experience, it's kind of better to just have a picture of yourself and maybe a link to your Calendly in here. So I'll show you actually what my dad's looks like because I set up an account for him, and we can look at that. Now I will tell you ahead of time, it's not beautiful, but he's written an app in a week, right? After doing a week of campaigns for him, he's written one app, and he's gotten, I think, 5 or 6 appointments from all the work, all the emails that have gone out. Okay, so this is his campaign. Click on campaigns, and we click on automated. Yeah, so we're going to click on edit. Okay, and let's just take a look at one of these emails. View email. All right, this is, and you can see this is not a beautiful email. This is not anything special, literally stolen from a blog with a link here to set an appointment. Okay, now this is his signature, right? You can see this is I don't want to say amateurish, but it's not pretty. But still, even though it's not pretty, he's made a couple $1,000s from this campaign and is probably going to make a couple thousand more, just because the important thing here is not that you have the slickest email, it's that you're consistent with sending the emails out every single day and offering some sort of value to these people. Okay, so if we look at the signature, we can see we've got a link here. Click here to set an appointment. If we click that link, Calendly, Raymond Odin, all right, they can set an appointment with him if they want. Got his phone number right here and his email address if they want to email him. Okay, so you guys get the idea. That is how you do that. All right. Okay, next video I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to MailChimp. I think I will be able to do that. We'll see.